NIT Foundation is a not-for-profit that is focused towards the employability skills of underprivileged youth. Last year, we tied up with Nokia because we wanted to truly energize our classrooms and really attract a lot more of these youths to come and study at our centers and really make something of themselves, in work life. There were 4 key objectives for this project. The first one was to enhance, the learning experience for the students so that, they come to the center, enjoy themselves. Second objective was to make it even fun for the trainers because they are doing something new, they are, creating something afresh. The third objective was to use the trainer's experience at the grassroots to create, fresh content, new content, localized content, and upload it on the server, which is then accessible to all other, trainers. And the fourth objective was to document the best practices, so that we can really look at scaling up this project, in the next phase.
As part of this project, we used 2 Nokia mobile applications. First being the Nokia Education Delivery or NED, and the second one is Nokia Data Gathering Tool or NDG. In NED, existing content is uploaded on the server. This content is typically from soft skills training, which includes concepts on personality development, interview skills, English communication and IT basic. The trainer can download this content as per her session plan onto a Nokia smartphone. This is very useful because it provides easy and quick access to the trainer. Also, the students get to watch these videos in real time. This application is also being used as a counseling tool across NIT Foundation centers. NDG is a data gathering tool. At NIT Foundation, we use it either for taking assessments and quizzes because students can use their personal phones. The second way in which it is used is in community mobilization for data collection. It is seen that when students answer this at their own time and space, it usually increases their confidence level because there is no fear of being judged or any ridicule from the peer. During mobilization, the students enjoy this unique way of interaction and that further encourages them to come to the center for career counseling.
Going forward, we would be keen to take this concept of energized classrooms to rural areas, areas that don't have access to computers but do have mobile phones. Plus, we would like to encourage a lot of local content creation so that the content that is relevant for the rural folks, is created there but is accessible globally.
Classes using Nokia smartphones. The video that you are watching on the screen, the trainer downloads the videos and various contents on the phone, connects the phone to the TV and then takes the session. The student answers the quizzes using their mobile phones in the classroom. This makes the classes more fun for the students. Let me show you the questions that appear on the screen. The student answers and then saves the results like this. आप ट्राई करके देखेंगे.
When we go into the community, we gather basic information through a survey form. Earlier I used to fill this form by hand, but now I collect it using the NDG application. I ask one question at a time from a person, then enter the data in form and send to the server. After I come back from the field, the data is already there in the Excel sheet. This saved me a lot of time. Also, the student liked it when I use the phone service, and many students want to join our center.
Hello, good afternoon. I am Naushaba. I am housewife and doing data entry course from NIT Foundation. Mobile phone is used for me for listening music, playing game, etc. But getting to know these new tools NED and NDG was a big change and big surprise for me. I would like to learn this tool and share with my children. Thank you.
Hi, I am Mohammad Riazuddin. I am 20 years old, working in a clinic. I am also pursuing a course in data entry from NIT Foundation. NDG tools helps me balance both my work as well as my classes. I can practice exercise, give tests whenever I get free at this clinic. This way I don't have to miss my work. Whatever I am learning through the use of mobile tools, I share with my two elder sisters who could not continue with their study after 10th standard. They also get benefit free of cost.
Thank you. Bolo, thank you.
Thank you. Yes.